We all know technology is the future and it has changed the approach to every aspect of our lives, both personally and professionally. Hi there, this is Nirja Asgaonkar and I am a content marketing analyst intern at International Institute of Digital Marketing. Digital marketing has replaced traditional marketing and changed the way marketers promote their businesses. Digital marketing has set a new norm for a successful business. Here are few reasons as to why digital marketing is important for your business. Firstly, it has a better reach. Due to billions of people using internet, it is easy to reach out to more people to target a large number of audience. Secondly, it's cost effective and faster. Digital marketing is undoubtedly less expensive than traditional marketing, which involves human interaction and door-to-door selling. It is probably the best way of promoting business for a startup where initial investment is very low and hence it can be promoted easily with minimal efforts. Digital marketing helps in promotion of a brand. In the times when it's next to impossible to promote a brand to a large audience, digital marketing makes it easy to understand a brand online in a very effective manner. Lastly, digital marketing has a better return on investment. Digital marketing undoubtedly gives a better return on investment for advertising, whether it's free or paid. Being one of the most important domains in marketing, digital marketing has become important for survival of a business. To know more about digital marketing and its courses, please visit our website, which is www.thedigitalmarketinginstitute.org.